guys, welcome back to Drive Vault, where we geek out over everything on wheels, especially the ones that make you feel like royalty on the road. Today, oh man, I am excited. We've got the inside scoop on the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorcoach, and let me tell you, this isn't just any RV or bus. It's a double-decker dream machine that's redefining luxury travel. If you've ever fantasized about hitting the open highway in something that screams elegance and power, buckle up, because we're diving deep into this beast right now. Picture this. You're pulling up to a scenic overlook and heads are turning like crazy. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorcoach is pure showstopper. It's got that iconic Rolls-Royce grille up front, all sleek and imposing, but stretched out into this massive double-decker body that's equal parts coach and yacht on wheels. The bodywork? A stunning two-tone black and silver finish that gleams under the sun, with those signature Spirit of Ecstasy emblems in gold accents catching every ray. It's got flowing lines, like waves of luxury rolling across the sides, and those massive 24-inch wheels wrapped in custom tires that hug the road without a whisper. At over 50 feet long, it's built on a reinforced chassis that screams stability. But don't let the size fool you. It's aerodynamic enough to slice through, the wind like a phantom on steroids. And the double-decker setup? Genius. Upper level for panoramic views, lower for that grounded plush vibe. This thing doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Now, let's step inside, because that's where the magic really happens. Open those massive power-sliding doors, and you're hit with the scent of fine leather and polished wood. It's like walking into a five-star hotel suite, but mobile. The lower deck kicks off with a grand lounge area that's straight out of a billionaire's daydream. Plush gray sofas that seat 6 comfortably, a full bar with crystal glassware stocked for any adventure, and a dining nook that converts into a workspace if you need to pretend you're still productive on the go. The kitchen? Oh, it's a chef's paradise. Black marble countertops, a built-in espresso machine, wine fridge humming with your favorites, and even an induction cooktop for whipping up gourmet meals while cruising at 70. Everything's handcrafted, with those subtle Rolls-Royce monograms embroidered everywhere, from the throw pillows to the towel racks. Head upstairs via the elegant spiral staircase. Yes, it has one. And you're in the Sky Lounge. Floor-to-ceiling windows wrap around, giving you 360-degree views that make every drive feel epic. There's a king-sized master suite back here with a bed that looks like it was flown in from a Parisian palace, draped in the softest linens and overlooking the stars through a panoramic skylight. The ensuite bathroom? Insane. A soaking tub with rose petals optional, rainfall shower that steams up like a spa, and sinks carved from onyx. And don't miss the wardrobe. It's a walk-in closet with mood lighting and enough space for a month's worth of outfits. The whole interior uses sustainable woods, vegan leathers where it counts, and ambient LED lighting that shifts colors to match your mood. It's not just comfortable, it's an escape. Under the hood, or should I say, powering, this rolling palace is Rolls-Royce's latest hybrid V12 engine. We're talking a twin-turbo setup paired with electric motors for a combined 800 horsepower, blending that legendary smooth roar with silent, emission-free cruising when you want it. It sips fuel better than any big rig out there thanks to regenerative braking and smart battery management, so you can go 500 miles on a tank without breaking a sweat. Performance-wise, it hits 0 to 60 in under 10 seconds for something this size. Unbelievable. And tops out at 100 mph if you're feeling cheeky on a private road. But the real thrill? It's whisper quiet inside. with active noise cancellation that makes you forget you're moving at all. Suspension? Air ride magic that floats over potholes like they're not even there. Features galore, my friends. Starlight headliner in the bedrooms twinkles like the night sky. A 360-degree camera system with augmented reality overlays for easy maneuvering. And full Starlink connectivity, so you're never offline. Security's top-notch. Biometric locks. Panic rooms if you want that level of paranoia. And it's got solar panels on the roof for off-grid power. Accessibility? Wheelchair ramps deploy at the touch of a button, and everything's customizable through Rolls-Royce's bespoke program. Want a helipad on top? They might just make it happen. Now, pricing. Yeah, this isn't for the faint of wallet. Base model starts around $2.5 million, but with options, you're looking at north of $4 million easy. Is it worth it? For the elite traveler who wants the ultimate road trip without sacrificing an ounce of luxury, absolutely. In 2026, with autonomous driving features rolling out and eco-regs tightening, this Motorcoach isn't just the best, it's the pinnacle. No other brand matches that blend of heritage, innovation, and sheer opulence. It's like if your yacht and your private jet had a baby, and it loves the highway. What do you think, guys? Would you trade your house for one of these? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if you're as obsessed as I am, and subscribe for more luxury ride breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Safe travels out there.